The woman tell him, say, yeah, you know what? Me give this man in front. Then the man go ask, you would be gone for me.
If you and your partner go somewhere and you decide to go get that massage, we know the culture of that massage already. The man them are go feel you up, the man them are go rub all kind of places that is very intimate. But my question is, how the local school you would get involved?
And that I think that is the question me been asked.
Yeah man, it's a sad thing, yo.
Bro.
You see, when we go on vacation, we tend to try certain things and we're excited and we want to do this and we want to do that.
Yeah, everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave.
Yeah, set your own song.
You mean unstoppable, bro? Yo, welcome back to another episode, a rap and chat with Checks Dan.
And Naz, you see me?
Yeah, man.
There.
So you're the pan.
There, dog. You don't know.
There, boy.
Day. You see me?
You say new day, new money.
Summertime, dog.
You know, since I be a shot, me a weed from there.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah, bro.
The heat turn up still, you know?
Dog, 97 degrees out of door right now.
Yeah, but what they are 106 or 105.
That was yesterday or day before yesterday?
Day before yesterday.
Yeah, dog.
Brother, hot man, you.
So people, be careful of the heat strokes. Cause it a go on, you know. Heat strokes, a whole heap of people get heat strokes.
Global warming real.
You see me?
That me I tell you.
Yeah, bro. So, where you depending idea?
Yeah, man, I'm there, dog. I saw one video, dog, where I go around where youth use a big rock and slap a woman, dog.
Yo, me see the video there too, you know?
I know youth. But yo, before we talk about that,
Yeah.
I'm telling people now. Yo, peeps, what going? You want to do, please hit that subscribe button now. Before we go no further, just hit it. You know, take nothing out of me, you know.
Yeah,
you see me? I want to that. Just deal with it. See? And the thumbs up button. Alright, so yeah, me G, me I say dog, me see the youth take a stone and slap the woman in her head back, dog.
Me see video too. Alright, me see two video. Me see a video where the woman in a one bus. Some form of conflict, some form of argument did a go on. And she did have a knife.
Yeah.
Me don't know if she did attack to the youth or she did attack to the conductor of the bus. You see me?
But me see she a juke after the brother too, like him a cut after the brother when she
Yeah,
come out
me
the bus.
see it.
Yeah,
Me see
dog.
it.
So it look like the conflict start from there, so. And but my question is, how the local school you would get involved?
And that I think that is the question me been asked. Me don't know if at the little school youth and she did have something or she and somebody else did have something.
Yeah.
You get me I say?
Yeah.
But brother, them little youth nowadays they now hold no meds. The big stone where in give you man, you know, brother. Could have killed him same places, you know. The police stand up right there, you know.
And that me I say, dog.
The police stand
The
up.
police, the right,
Bro, I have to something. She have to do something, bro. For the little youth do that in front of a police officer.
Yo,
You don't think so?
we don't know where going beyond the video. As we said, we did see her with the knife and some kind of altercation. So probably there is some kind of connection. You see me? But what if the woman did that, dog? Like, dog, the slap where she get in her, and like, man, aim for the back or the body jaw or the leg or something,
Yeah, man.
dog. You man aim
Bro.
for the neck back, bro, or her head.
When the woman get a lick, brother, I me see woman go down. You see, the fact say it is unexpected. You see, when certain things are unexpected, it affect you differently.
Yes.
You get me? I say?
never prepare for it.
You're not mentally prepared for it.
Yes.
So, the fact saying just pull up behind her, bro, and go so boom.
All right. So, me I go look on the youth and me I go judge him. Me I go judge him character. Even though they say you can't judge a book by its cover. A quick glimpse of the youth with kerchief tie up in neck, tie up in head. You see me and him uniform and them something there, bro. You can't, honestly, him image seems like he's a little boy way. One of them bad boy there in a school.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because just the way how him look attired. So me just go off of that. We can't be wrong, you know. We can't be wrong.
Watch this. Me not go judge him based on how he look or how he dress. Zane, first thing first, we don't really know what happened between the lady and the youth. And we don't know why she did have a knife, because it's a possibility say the little youth do something with her daughter or the little youth violate her in a some way where she feel like say coming at him with a knife. Because you see, if me feel threatened, me I go make sure say me put you down in a dog.
But you think say the little boy did feel threatened at that the way how you see
Not
the video?
at that point in time, but probably in the bus him did feel threatened. Me no know really what transpire. Me not say look you right, you know. I'm not saying that he's right, because for one, the police already did a deal with the matter. You should have just make the police them deal with it. And you know say it is reported.
Yeah.
You get me? I say you take you upon yourself and you wanna lick in the head.
Bro, John dog, him would definitely get in a problem, because even if there was an altercation, the police get involved, the police already a deal with it, low it.
Exactly.
But you know take that ras big stone, dog.
Bro.
Unexpected and slap the woman in her head, bro.
Hey, I want thing about Jamaican people, you know, bro. I want thing with Jamaican people, you know. Anything a weapon for them, you know, brother.
Yeah, man.
I could have one dog. Did I pass him? I take a dog and pass the woman, you know. But me I tell you, bro, him should just leave it to the police.
Yeah.
The police get involved, him should just say, yo, it's in the law hands. And right now, you know, bro, film life set one way now, you know, because
of course, bro.
You don't know what can happen to you, man.
Of course, but
she can suffer a concussion. She can dead, you know.
What you mean if she can dead afterwards?
She can dead days after, you know.
Yeah.
You see me?
No, him a go to prison. Him a go to prison till him.
Right now, bro, them little youth nowadays, they now hold no meds, as me say.
Alright, they now hold no meds tricks.
They now hold no meds, dog.
Bro, like them a go to school and them a focus on the wrong things, dog. Honestly, dog, it no matter what you and the woman did have before, and we have to reiterate this fact that the police already get involved, low it. Why would you take it upon yourself now if you go put yourself in a more problem, bro? And
not even himself alone him a put in a problem. Him a put him parents in a problem. Right now in future, you in future can get damned by that. You see me? Because you have an idea, if something really happen to a lady, say she suffer a concussion, she probably go in a one coma, she probably dead. Your life done, you know, as a young youth, you know.
What do you mean, my youth? Him no look like him look like him in about 10th grade, 11th grade.
Yeah, man, he can't, you know, in a past 16. In a past 16.
Dog, we have to take badness with joke.
And the police like stand up right there. The police are evidence, you know.
Yes, dog. But
a witness, you know.
All right.
The police are witness to it.
And the video right on time. Yeah. For sure, so the woman attacked the police. The woman not even pay him no mind.
But me still want to know, guys, if you don't know what transpire in the bus, please drop a comment and make we know. We not even can blame one person, bro. You have to blame both parties. Until we find out what really happened and what caused it to escalate for each day, so we can't really blame nobody.
Me just like I said, though, the local youth, it make a wrong move.
Yes.
It make a wrong move because once you see the law get involved,
the police did it, bro.
Yes, tricks. And I try to squash it.
Police did
just
it.
Just low it, bro. Nobody go put yourself in enough further issue. Because any older woman never get up off of that ground. Me know say you get fucked. Because you don't know what could happen. Remember sometimes some frighteningly kill people. You know that?
Even if she get up off her ground, he still are going in a problem. If you man decide to press charges,
of course.
Problem.
Because guess what now? We never see what happened before. So even if you man did beat him up before,
years they can't go to
court.
True.
You understand what I say? But the plain evidence.
Yeah, man, you want to get
a youth, look at youth in a school, brother. Please, me, I beg you. Focus on the right things. Yo.
Yeah, man.
You see me?
A real pre-man.
Yeah, man.
Listen. You see prison on glad gonna make you get your body wear out. And your family, them are going to stress over you.
A real talk.
You see me? No woman that they are prison. You don't have no freedom when they are prison.
Exactly.
And you're going to only become a man, bitch. Right there, so I just say some of my thing there.
A real thing there. Because it don't make no sense to give up your freedom.
Bro.
Yo, you see, freedom that is a hell of a thing when you can get up and go where you want to go. Do what you want to do. You're just free, bro. But imagine you locked down in one cell. One little square box for 15, 20, 30 years. With 1 million man, you must done that, man.
No, what is, when I winter, I'm there. I mean, I'm in house. Me feel like a prisoner.
Exactly.
Much less.
Exactly, bro.
In a one cage. I wish for me there with my woman there. And I say me feel like a prisoner in my own house. Just imagine you in a one little cage with all 4 or 5 men in there.
You shit in a same bucket. You do everything in a same cell.
You can't be same after you come out of prison. So
when you're fat, you have to tell a man, say, yo, me I go...
Just mass.
Bro, you can't stay there and fuck up on the freedom, yeah?
Yeah, man. Yo, you don't move wise. You get me? And people, if you don't know what really happened, please, drop it in a comment. You get me? I say, yeah, man.
Why me see a little thing to you upon the river. We go on.
Bombard.
The man walk down
brother.
The woman, dog.
And you said one said you can show me so.
What do you think about that, man?
No, let me hear what you say first. What you say.
All right. Now, you see.
Show a video first.
All right. Well, show a video.
Yeah.
All right, dog. Now, the first thing I'm going to say is, if you and your partner go somewhere and you decide to go get that massage, we know the culture of that massage already. The man them are going to feel you up. The man them are going to rub all kind of places that is very intimate. You see me? So, me think the woman should have think twice or at least say to her partner if the partner agree. Because me feel like she not demonstrate no respect for the man, bro.
All right, question.
Yes.
If you were in, if that man were you, or if you were in that man position, what would you have done? What you would have do if you did in that position there? Yeah, your woman go pan a river. You in your van sit down, a chill, and you see a man a rub up in mud.
Right.
If you start massage up your man, what would that come to your mind? What you would then do?
All right. So as me say, go back to respect. But you see, me and my wife got this in.
Yeah.
And she decide on her own to get that massage. Without. So me gone, me walk off and me go get something more. You know, me gone somewhere or something. And when me come back, me see man said something. Did I know? Me no woman beat her another. You see me, but me go rough her up. You see me? Yeah. I go rough her up. And it goes back to the person you're with. Because if the person respect your dog, me not think the person will go that road.
Me believe so too.
You understand what I'm saying?
Me believe so.
So me feel like she would have said, yo, no, my husband now go like that.
No boundaries or no respect. No
yes. The man them where do the rafting and the rubbing and all these things are them job. You understand me?
When I tell me that, I say, you know, me wish me don't go Jamaica there as one of them man there where a robot mode pan the woman them, you know, dog. Me wish me they have a raft down there.
Dog, me see one already, you know, where some American woman go down there, you know, bro, and foot up, you know, and the man take out all in cocky, you know, dog. And I rub it on the edge and the woman and say, yo, slip it in, brother, pan the raft, you know. And while the man, like, he might use him more than I said, so, you know. You see me? And he cock out and rest, brother. I swear to God, bro.
Hey, listen.
Cock rest on the leg while he might do this and that rub and cock a rub meantime and...
a massage.
Bro.
Yo, some of them women, they don't have no respect. They don't have no principle. You see, some of them no cause some sitting upon yourself. Me nah tell you, say, if I was in that man's shoes, me wouldn't react the same way.
I'm going to ask you the question. How would you react if you were in that position?
Bro,
you ask me, I want to know what you'd do.
Me probably lick down the two of them and drive with them. Me I tell the truth.
No, dog. It goes right back to your partner.
You want me to be honest?
Yes.
So not honest, me I be honest. Watch this now. If your woman know how you stay, and your woman know say you're jealous certain way, first and foremost, in that instant, yeah, me pretty sure say them have a discussion before them reach there.
Mm-hmm.
Me pretty sure say man say, yo, nobody go get no massage and nobody make no man rub you down, you know.
What if they never did?
No, man, they did, man.
But then again...
You know where you are going, let me tell you this. You see, when you know where you are going,
mm-hmm.
you know the expectation of what can happen. You go into a particular place.
Well, true. You have a point.
The man, may I tell you this, may I tell you from the man perspective, you know. Yo, don't make no man rub you down, you know, no bother with no massage thing, you know, just go rafting and just relax.
Mm.
You see, when woman see their friend, they get that ego there. Boy, Jerry, I tell me, say me not forget no massage. So, yo, in get a massage, Jerry see what go on, and Jerry head just chip. Dog, man finger, man thumb probably a rub against the clit, you know, dog. A problem, dog, a wickedness, bro. Hey.
Yo, as me say, you can't blame me rafters them still in there, man.
You can't blame me rafters.
You see me? Because if you as a woman allow that to happen, then, you know me, I say, you already drop your standard.
Me not tell you, say, me did plan to go be one rafter one time. Listen, let me show you this.
Yeah.
You see, as a man, you see when a woman give a man bone or do not know where the man no feel comfortable with. Say a woman go out there and she give away front. I know you get you, you know. But you feel it after you hear, you know, after I done happening, you know, dog. You as a man, you feel it, you know, dog. All these things start go through your head, you know. So, you go see your woman now. You go see your woman and a man a massage and probably they're close to your pussy and say, yo, your finger go in your pussy, you know.
But what if, all right, so let me ask you a question. Let me ask you a question. Zin, what if your woman went down to Jamaica without you, mm-hmm. and then you end up seeing it on a video? What would you do?
Dog, that it a go hurt you more, you know, brother. That a go burn you even more, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Let me tell you this. If my woman a go on a vacation, I mean, know say certain, and she and her friends them a go, I mean, know say certain things transpire at one particular place. Me I go give you warning before you go, you know, brother.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I say, listen, do not make X, Y, or Z happen.
Mm-hmm.
You get me, I say? And if it happen, try not make me find out. Simple.
Yeah.
Let me tell you this.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes people go up on vacation and things happen.
Right.
And, disclose and everything all right. But you see, minute somebody find out, say all you go up on a vacation, and a woman rub on you too close and he happen to catch in a one video. Probably a woman in a nothing, and then your woman see video.
Mm.
In a year woman, in a year woman that, you know?
Yeah.
I see him here, bro. When the woman then go and then do, bro.
It all start from the woman because she's in that position.
And I respect, bro.
You have to respect your spouse. your man, or whosoever you did it with, for know say, yo, the man not gonna appreciate that. Or the woman, if the woman, me not see woman a massage man. So, what the man them a do? You must know, say your man, if your man see that, your man not gonna appreciate that, bro.
And
you cannot appreciate things like that.
So my woman, they not no respect for themselves.
Because it's a random stranger. It's a random stranger, dog. Yeah, you're gonna make a random stranger a rub between your pussy jaw. You know me, I say that? And squeeze up body jaw, slap and...
You don't know how much other vagina the finger they go in from there. You see bacteria sitting where stay for a minute, you know. Say that the man they massage one woman where have some syphilis, herpes are sitting. And you know, washing and or something left on the hand. And he come and he do it to an next woman. The woman catch all disease and she don't know how she get it. You get me I say?
Yeah.
Because adults and negligence and what you then call it now? No self-respect, carelessness. You get me I say? Just like you have someone go out there and then have the woman and then go there with the next woman bareback. And then them catch sitting and can't give them woman. And that's how you grow on. You see me?
Yeah.
Bro, some people just careless. And me feel like that happened. That's why she get the box and he lick them in the water.
As me say, me and a man fee. Listen, me, people, me no condone no kind of beating, no kind of hitting of woman. You see me? But in that situation,
instant there.
You see me? I don't know if I would probably do that or something. You know what I say, bro?
Bro, sometimes emotion take over
That's
people,
what I
bro.
say. You not think because then your blood
No, you see when you're in anger.
Boil up.
When you're in anger, sometimes people don't think, you know.
Yeah, you get clouded.
And that's why
judgment get clouded.
And that's why sometimes you see some man end up do something where they regret after.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
Just like how when you see two persons argue and they in a argument and they end up say something where they never supposed to say. And that does fuck up the whole thing.
Yeah, cause you see, that's why sometimes when you're angry, you know, when you're in a certain situation, you have to just walk away from that
sometimes
situation.
Sometimes better you just go somewhere go have a drink.
Yes.
And easy.
Just walk away. You see me and say, come out of the house. Just walk away from the situation.
Tell me.
Calm down, because it come like alcohol. When you drink alcohol and you get to a certain level, it cloud your judgment. And I same thing when you get angry, you not think, bro. Your emotions so high, you not think certain things.
Some people just feel like say a man just get up and just be abusive sometimes. Sometimes you have men who stay so, you know.
Right.
But sometimes you have things will happen where it trigger the man to react that way there. So the man never there with them there and you can see the man go down there. And even when the man go down there, nobody now make no move like, you see me? Everybody comfortable and get feel up. And man feel up, woman.
As man, we have to practice self-control too. Because the woman doesn't have no strength like how we have.
You're right, bro. We have to practice self-control.
We have to practice self-control because at any time, we can use anger and put ourselves in a problem. You get what I say? And then we end up in a shit water.
And if you tell you.
And you regret it, as you say, afterwards.
A real pre, man.
So we have to learn how to manage with anger some of the time.
A real pre.
Yeah, man.
Some of the time we too jumpy.
Yeah. Ladies, one and a go pan. If you're not single still, you know, this is different.
Yeah,
because when them single, you can go down, be a vacation, do whatever you want.
Oh man, single, she can't do anything when she
just do whatever you want to do.
Cocky up, man. Any other want to get a massage.
But yo, once you have a partner, you see me, you have to be considerate how the man would feel.
Yeah,
so put the man in the position. If you go see one woman, a massage cock, you know what I mean, say I do all kind of things and them something there. How you would feel and how you would respond. Probably the female would get her head lick off. You see me? We don't know that because no man get angry, you know that. Nothing can hold them back, you know.
Hey, if a woman have a slightest idea say argue with a problem. Bro.
I tell you that.
No, but I feel like
No,
you feel like a
thing.
joke thing.
A real talk, dog. A real talk.
Dog, woman protective over cocky like oh. You ever see when chicken have chicklets? and the end, a mother fall a protect him pitney them. I saw woman protect cocky. Big man thing. Man watch pussy hard, you know. But woman, dog.
Yeah, man, woman get mad over cocky, dog.
Dog, problem.
Just like a man get mad over pussy, dog.
Same thing.
You did touch on a point earlier where you say, when the woman do the pussy, dog, you end up feel it all days and weeks after.
Bro, listen, man. Bro, listen.
Well, before we close, you see me, before we jump out, people, a man think about another man I have
intercourse.
With him woman.
Jesus.
You know, when man think about the position where that man a twist her, you know? You see me? Dog. Cause I say, yo, and me have her another way there, and then one next man a turn her around the same way, dog.
Bro.
Dog, that fuck with him is wicked doing that.
You see, you have some man, you see? You have some man. You see, when the woman born them, you see all of the woman bad pan giving head or give a certain position wicked, bro. You see, when you reflect and you think about how she ride there and how she give certain things, yeah, I say, girl, I say you give. Hey, me here man ask woman already, you know. Me here man ask woman already, you know. Just tell me if you give me front. And if once the woman say yes, it coming like
you get dark.
It coming like a mad.
Yeah, man. It starts in pure darkness.
Bro.
Nothing else but darkness.
Listen, me say, me hear man tell woman say, me nah do you nothing. Me just want to know if you give me front.
But once she said, bro, remember me tell her that the whole place dark.
Me hear man say to woman already say. If woman tell him say, yeah, you know what? Me give this man in front. Then the man go ask. He would be gone for me. Yo, watch out. Just imagine the woman say yes.
He probably go walk out to that truck.
Yo, listen, here it is.
Oh, God.
So be careful.
Yeah.
Because you don't know. You don't lick a chip sometimes. You don't even know.
Yeah, you guys and the ladies. As we say, yo, be mindful. Not my last word. Be mindful.
Yeah, man.
Think about the partner.
Right, that's so.
Yeah.
Think about him and man them. You don't know.
Yeah.
When you don't know the ranks, be careful.
Yeah, man. Think about the woman them too.
Same way.
Think how the woman them would have
Yeah,
feel.
man. A real pretty,
You
bro.
know, say, woman, open it up and one next man ram it. So you have to think about that. So when you come and you open the woman and you know say another year one and you say, and put a first stop, just think about your woman. Because if one man open your woman and not do that, you go ball like a baby.
Yo.
Yeah. Pick up yourself, dog. You don't know.
Yo, but you want to say something more still, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Want to the ear balloon there.
Oh, yeah.
More
brief.
Yeah, no, I like a panty.
Pantily.
Yeah, pantily. You
touch
can't
pan
go,
the
what kind of
pantily.
break no you?
Touch on it, pantily.
Yeah, touch pan the pantily.
Yeah.
You see me?
This air balloon in Brazil, they're all over the news.
Sorry. Unstoppable, yeah? Yeah. Unstoppable.
Bro. Well, yeah, anyway, the air balloon in Brazil where look like some tourists are, it could be the own citizens them, we don't know.
I feel like a tourist them.
But then, yeah, bro, it is a tragedy and it is very sad, bro.
Show a part of the video.
Yes,
Show a look a part of the video.
All right, to pray this.
gente. Não, é uma pessoa, eu tô vendo aqui no zoom da câmera, gente.
Yeah, man, it's a sad thing, yo.
Bro.
You see, when we go on vacation, we tend to try certain things and we're excited and we want to do this and we want to do that. But then sometimes, you see, we don't know what can happen still, you know.
Yeah,
and nobody know them time, the minute or the hour when them are going to go. But sometimes if we be mindful, we can turn away from death without we even knowing.
Bro.
You see me?
Not even roller coaster me no go pan.
Bro, me don't go pan them things that when me go, dog.
Yo.
Me adventurous, you know, but certain things me nah go pan.
Bro, me will climb mountains. If no snake no did it, if me hear say snake did it, me nah do it.
Yeah.
If me know say it's a safe trail where me can go up and walk and whatever, me will do that. If I want to look a river, where me can walk in, me will do that. Me go on vacation already. I remember when me invite you when me go to Mexico for my birthday.
Yeah.
Me have one virgin jump off of one blood clot place in a dog. Down in a one hole, you know. Bro, them say, "Are your birthday? Do it. Are your birthday?" Me.
Yeah, all them something.
Bro, me nah do it, bro.
Yo, me see. Remember, me mentioned earlier, off camera, where me tell about this youth, 18-year-old, in 18th birthday, he want to skydiving and his mother put it together and everything, bro.
Yeah.
And he jump.
And the parachute not open.
Never open.
Him and the instructor, the person who two of them, the parachute never open and the two of them drop. Boof, dead.
You see me? So yo, them something there is a tragedy what happened in Brazil with the whole balloon thing. And my condolences.
Listen, people, you not be mindful when you go up on vacation. If you don't have kids, think about no kids. Think about want to leave home. You get me? I say, sometimes certain adventure it can stay. You get me? I say? And the next thing, bro, the next thing for me was, dog, too much people did in the air balloon.
Yes, because they did have an issue to get it off of the ground.
You get me? I said,
yes,
too
bro.
much people did in there, bro.
Yeah,
and
bro.
probably that one reason why it malfunctioned. Because it did take so long to come off the ground, bro. And then once you get off the ground, it not even reach no far distance. Not even 10 minutes in a year.
No, looks like, yeah.
People are drop out of it, fire, bro.
Sad, dog.
It's sad, people.
Sad, man.
My condolences to all the families.
Alright.
Yes, cheers.
Yeah, dog.
Cheers to success.
Success.
Blessing, health and strength. And please, subscribe. You get me? I say,
Well,
what that you drink? What that you drink?
I drink my
How you drink?
just drink the juice, man.
How you drink? How you drink?
Yo.
How you drink?
To success.
Unstoppable.
Drink.